This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to grow green vegetables at home step by step. Start by picking a sunny location and preparing well-draining soil with compost, then sow seeds or transplant seedlings at the recommended depth and spacing. Water gently to settle soil, keep consistent moisture, and protect young plants from harsh sun. Mulch to conserve water and reduce weeds, and rotate crops yearly to reduce pests. Choose containers that fit your space and allow good drainage, and prepare a light, fertile mix by combining compost, garden soil, and coarse sand. Fill pots leaving some space for watering, then plant seeds at the depth listed on the packet or transplant seedlings carefully. Water to moisten the root zone, place containers where they receive steady sun, and monitor soil so it never dries out completely. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for meal prep, which keep salads and chopped greens fresh without spills, making harvest day and lunches much easier. They save time and make sharing veggies simple, plus they stack neatly in the fridge. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep a regular care routine. Water in the morning, fertilize every 3 to 4 weeks, and thin crowded seedlings to improve airflow. Watch for common pests like aphids and caterpillars, and use gentle controls such as soapy water or hand removal. Remove yellowing leaves promptly and stake taller varieties to prevent breakage. With steady attention and minor adjustments, most green vegetables will reward you with fresh, flavorful harvests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.